The Stellaris Guru contains the LM3AS608 microcontroller from TI with 32 KB flash and 8 KB SRAM and a host of other peripheral devices including SPI, I2C, UART and a 10-bit analog to digital converter in a 48 LQFP package. This chip is used for serial to USB bidirectional communication and is used to upload program code onto the Stellaris Guru. The TLV1117 3.3V low dropout regulator gives power to the board. It can supply up to 800 mA current to the Guru. This is a 9.5mm electret microphone and is connected to one of the ADC channels of the microcontroller. The output of the microphone is connected to a LM358 dual operational amplifier. The output from the amplifier is fed to one of the ADC channels of the microcontroller. The Guru features a 20 kΩ potentiometer for evaluation of the ADC module of the microcontroller. An analog temperature sensor LM35 is put on the board which gives an output of 10 mV per degree Celsius. The potentiometer and the temperature sensor can be connected to the ADC channel by appropriately placing the jumper JP2. A high-intensity RGB LED is connected to the microcontroller which can be used for evaluation of digital outputs and can be used to generate over 16 million colors. 3 unicolor LEDs are put on the board which can be used extensively in various applications. Choice between the RGB LED and the unicolor LEDs can be made by appropriately placing the jumper on JP1. 2 push-button switches are provided on the board which are used for digital inputs and putting the microcontroller in the bootloader mode for updation of application program. This is an active low push-button input and puts the microcontroller in the reset state. The board is powered using a USB cable which connects to a mini USB connector on the Guru board. A positive temperature coefficient fuse has been put which limits the maximum current drawn to 500 mA. The USP of the Stellaris Guru is the Arduino style interface connector. This interface allows the Guru to be used with over 300 existing Arduino shields, thus expanding the experimental possibilities of the kit. DC motors, LCD displays, VGA outputs, real-time clocks, SD card, and many more peripherals can be attached to the kit using custom or existing shields. The Stellaris Guru uses a resident bootloader to program application code onto the memory of the microcontroller. An easy step needs to be followed to put the board in the program update mode. Pressing the reset button along with the switch S2 and then releasing the reset button followed by S2 halts the microcontroller and enters the program update mode. The new application code can be downloaded on the microcontroller using the flash programming utility LM Flash provided by TI. The entire software model of the Stellaris Guru is based on free and open source set of tools. Eclipse is the IDE, Code Sorcery GCC Lite Edition is the compiler toolchain, and GNU ARM plugin within Eclipse integrates the two. The Stellaris Peripheral Driver Library is a royalty-free set of functions for controlling the peripherals found on the Stellaris family of ARM Cortex-M microcontrollers. LM Flash Programmer is the tool used to finally upload the code onto the Stellaris Guru. The contents of the kit include the Stellaris Guru development kit, a 3 feet USB-A to Mini B cable, and a teaching CD-ROM. When the board is connected to the computer using a USB cable, the power indicating red LED lights up. On successful boot up for the first time with factory application code, the unicolor LEDs or the RGB LEDs blink sequentially depending upon the selection made using jumper JP1.